will see the layer command. Layer basically use for to segregate the drawings. For example, if your drawings in a layers, if I'll explain in terms of MAP. For example, you can use one particular layer for sanitary piping, another for water piping, and next for storm piping and vent piping, and on and on. So we will learn today layers for a basic, okay, and then when we will start the project, we can just use that command on that. Okay, just this is a layer. Okay, this is the basic layer of it. Just shortcut it, LA, enter. Okay, you will get this. Now this is your new layer, so click it, and this is new layer. You can set new, rename it like what, REC. Okay, just give it cold water. Now color, I need cyan color. Line, solid line, or if you need a different line, just load it. I need that. Okay, line weight, select line weight. Transparency, don't select anything right now. Okay, now next I want to storm water. Select a color, for example orange color or whatever color it is. Continuous line, and line weight is okay. Now this tick means this is your current layer. If I want this current layer, right click it, set current. Okay, now whatever you will be drawn, that will be in that current layer. See, you will get those properties. Okay, now if you want to change it, just go here and change, say this. Okay, this color, this layer, and this layer. Now there was an option, LA, enter, for this lock unlock. If I lock this means I can see that layer in my drawing, but I cannot change anything in that. Okay, I'll tell you the use of it. Next option is freeze. Freeze means you cannot see that in your drawing. Sorry, this is not, this one we can freeze. See, it disappear. So in drawings, to just segregate and to make your drawing and project easy, you can use a different option in layers like freeze, lock, unlock. Okay, some options are there like enter. This print option shows like if I choose this, there will be a layer in the drawing, but you cannot print that layer. Okay, I'll explain one by one in the drawings. Now for now, just practice this. Okay, just practice this basic, and from next lecture we can have the project, and in that we can use all these things. Thank you.